Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction, my name is Mutira Nur Ramadhani, and my registration number is 17096200060. I will present about influence of work motivation, organizational activeness, and file work practice on student readiness in the world of work. And this is a case study in Office Administration Education undergraduate study program for academic year 2020, Jakarta State University. And best regards to my supervisor. First supervisor one is Prof. Dr. Puji Wahono, MSI. And my supervisor two is Dr. Christian Wiradandi Wolor, SEMM. Okay, I will next the next slide. Okay, this is a table of contents that we'll discuss in this presentation. First is chapter 1, introduction, and chapter 2, literature review, chapter 3, research methodology, chapter 4, result and discussion, chapter 5 is closing. Next, we can discuss about the background of this research. Work readiness is an important element that measures success in higher education. A workforce, and this case is student, who has a lot of experience in working and organizing and accompanied by a strong motivation to work, will certainly be preferred by the employer company. The number of unemployed throughout 2022 until 2020, unemployed throughout 2021 until 2022 is still dominated by university and academic diploma graduates. And here I will explain about the three research from the internet. First is from the Badan Pusat Statistik, labor and absorption as of February 2022 based on education. At lowest is the diploma education. The level is 3.63%, and followed by the second is from the university is 13.46%. And the second one from the TechEdu, as many as 83% of students in 2021 feel that after graduating from college, they want to continue to working as an employee, and only 4% want to continue entrepreneurship. This is statement from Minister of Investment Bahlili Lahadalia. Okay, next, this is from Kompas.com. The campus also developed an independent expansion program for the independent campus so that more and more students get the opportunity to do internships and other activities that are directly connected to the world of work. This is statement from Fasli Jalal as the rector of ERC University. Okay, I will next to the next slide. This is the graphic of the research that I found, and the left one is from Badan Pusat Statistik, and the right one from databox katadata.com. They're similar. Okay, I will next. And I doing the research from I doing myself. This is the result from agreement statement from the recipient from 32%. Okay, this is from motivasi kerja. This is from variable keaktifan berorganisasi or organizational activeness. This is from file work practice. And the last one from work readiness. And from the research, we can result that the many of can agreement the indicator of research that can we see the conclusion is that the 32% that I research, they are already ready in work of readiness. Okay, next. This is the research gap. Okay, this is from Sri Yuniarti 2017. Only research file work practice to student work readiness. The result is file work practice does not significantly affect job readiness directly or indirectly. and Rizka Adila Nasution on research about organizational activity to work readiness. And the result is organizational activity has a negative and significant effect on work readiness. And the Rahmawati 2020 only research about organizational activity to work readiness. And the result is file work practice. And the conclusion of this research gap is solidal research discuss about work motivation accompanied by organizational activities and file work practice and work readiness. Okay, next. This is the research question is, can work motivation affect student work readiness? The second is, can activeness in organizing affect student work readiness? And the three is, can the practice of file work affect the readiness of student to work? And the four, do work motivation, organization activeness, and file work practice experience affect students' work readiness? Okay, next is research objective. Of course, first is to measure how much work motivation affects student job readiness. Two is measure how much effect organizational activeness has on student work readiness. Three is to measure the effect of file work practice on student work readiness. And four, to analyze how much work motivation, organizational activeness, and file work practice experience affect students' readiness in the world of work. I will next to the next slide. This is a benefit of research, any from theoretical and practical. The theoretical is the result of the research are expected to be able to add new knowledge to reader and especially student of the State University of Jakarta majoring in S1 Office Administration Education in developing student research. And practical is first for UNJ students, increase knowledge and insight. For UNJ authorities is become additional literature and reference to develop student research. And for the next researcher is become a reference and provide information for future research. Okay, next. This is a supporting theory. This is supporting theory. First is for work motivation, or X1. According to Nur and Juliansyah, work motivation is the condition that move an individual to carry out the mandate given to him or achieve what he wants. And the organizational activeness, or X2, according to Suryo Subroto, organizational activity is the involvement of a community member psychologically, emotionally, and physically, and providing concepts and ideas in the activities created by the organization and helping the smooth running of these activities. And next, the file work practice, according to Jojo Negoro, is a systematic and connect departmental competency training that integrates the school-based guidance system with the skill competency system obtained with real work in the workplace, with the aim of achieving a level of expertise competence and work readiness. Ketut in Journal Rahmawati argues that job readiness is competence, ability, and work ethic that are in line with the demands in society, which are applied to the opportunities that students have in various jobs. Okay, the supporting theory is done. We can move on to the next slide. And this is the relevant research result. Okay, you can see it here. And this is the relevant about using Smart PLS. The result is quantitative, has the 3x variable and 1y variable, and has no connecting variable. And that we conclude this is the similar like my research. Okay, next is theoretical framework. As you can see, the conclusion or the information, all the variable is affects work readiness significantly and positively. Okay. Next is research constellation hypothesis. This is the constellation. Okay, the hypothesis is H1, there is a strong significant correlation between work motivation and job readiness in students. H2, there is a beneficial impact on organizational activeness and student work readiness in correlate in the significantly. And H3, student work readiness and file work practice have a substantial and beneficial relationship. And H4, and the correlation that is beneficial and noteworthy between the impact of work motivation, file work practice, and the organizational activeness on student work readiness. Okay, we can next slide. Okay, this is the research methodology. First is research period. This from October 2023 until March 2024. And the research place is in the State University of Jakarta, especially in S1 Office Administration Education Study Program. And the research design is associative quantitative methods. Okay, next. This is the population and sample. Using the simple random sampling technique, the sample size use Podolsky formula with an error rate of 5%. Data collection technique using a survey based on primary data in the form of questionnaire with a 6-point Likert scale. Okay, next. This is a data analysis technique. Associative, descriptive data analysis, statistical data analysis. And the technique, and the first one, step 1 is measurement model or outer model. And the second step is structural model or inner model. And the last step is hypothesis testing. Data analysis in this study was carried out using the PET analysis technique processed with SmartPLS 3.0 software. And we, in chapter 4, result and discussion, this is the respondent profile. That we can see the most of respondent came from the BEM Prodi Ekonomi dan Administrasi or BEM EA, as many as 78 people. And the second most was Econotional, which was 62 people. Okay, next. This is the descriptive analysis. The largest mean value is in the X1.2 instrument with the statement, I am motivated to work to make my life better. And the smallest mean value is in the X1.5 instrument with the statement, I am motivated to work so that I get a reward. Next. Descriptive analysis from organizational activeness. The largest mean value is the X2.7 instrument with the statement, I am active in organizational activeness because there is a common goal that must be achieved. And the smallest mean value is X2.2 with the statement, my position is so important that I am always active in participating in organizational activities. Next, descriptive analysis from file work practice. The largest mean value is X3.3 with the statement, after carrying out the file work practice, I feel that I understand better how to manage equipment in the office. And the smallest mean is X3.7 with the statement, after carrying out the file work practice, I have a good work attitude. Next, descriptive analysis from work readiness. The largest mean value is the Y.5 instrument with the statement, working is much better for me than having to not work. And the smallest value is Y.13 with the statement, I am able to quickly get along with with other people I met in a new environment. Okay, descriptive analysis is done. Next, this is the result of the model analysis. The left one is loading factor and the right one is cross-loading, and in the center is average variance extravert or FV. This is the validity requirements. Can we conclude this is a valid and can next to the research? Okay. Next is other model analysis from discriminant validity HTML, DTMT, and discriminant validity for null record. And from the validity requirements that we conclude this is a valid data and we can continue to the next research. We can continue to next analysis, okay? Okay, this is a composite reliability and Chrome-based alpha. This is the validity requirements. That can we conclude too. This is a valid data and we can continue the next analysis too. Okay. And we reach the inner model analysis first from R square, second from F square and Q square. Okay. And next is hypothesis testing, first from path coefficients and second is from bootstrapping. Path coefficient result, all variable X have a positive effect on variable Y, so that work motivation, organizational activeness, and file work practice have a significant positive effect on job readiness or work readiness. So that the H4 that we conclude in, that we explain in hypothesis is accept. Okay. Next, we can discuss about hypothesis testing. First is organizational activeness or X2 to work readiness. Significant positive effect so that H2 is accept. And next is file work practice to work readiness. The significant positive effect so that H3 is accept too. And the number 3, work motivation to work readiness. And this have a significant positive effect so that H1 is accept. Okay. We can move on to the discussion. Work motivation has a positive and significant effect on job readiness. H1 in the study was accepted. The result and the line with the previous research conducted by Nia Junaidi, Muhammad Kartika Chandra, Faila Rohmayati, Tiara Nurul Hidayah, Rian Pradipta Setiawan, and Shaila and Siti Fatimah. Organizational activity has a positive and significant effect on work readiness in the end, so that the H2 in the study was accepted. This result in the line with previous research, which was carried out by Desi Fitriana Setenindro, Windy Mareta, Karisma Febri Andika, Nur Azizah, Khalifatun Solikha, Reni Chandradewi Puspitarini. Okay, next is file work practice has a positive and significant effect on job readiness. H3 in this study was accepted. Their results are similar to previous research conducted by Lydia Dau, Dayana Uyun Rahmawati, Armaulana, Nur Azizah, Nitalia Sari, and Yuyun Kusnaini. And next is work motivation, organizational activeness, and file work practice have a significant effect on job readiness. H4 in this study was accepted. The results are similar to previous research conducted by Nitalia Sari, Akhori, Erlangga, and Rahmadani. Next. I'm sorry. Okay, next is conclusion. There is a strong correlation between work readiness and work motivation of S1 Office Administration Education students for the class of 2020. This means that the greater that greater the student work motivation, the greater the level of work readiness. Student work readiness is significantly influenced by organizational activeness. This means that the greater of level of student organizational activities, therefore, students who are more prepared for the workforce. There is a significant influence among file work practice on the work readiness of S1 Office Administration Education student for the class of 2020. This means that the better of file work practice activities are carried out to students, the better of level of job readiness of the students. And there is a simultaneous impact between a work motivation, organizational activity, and file work practice on the work readiness of S1 Office Administration Education students for the class of 2020. Next, implication. Based on the result of the study, it was found that student work preparation was significantly influenced by their work motivation. And based on the result of the study, it was found that the student preparation for the workforce was significantly influenced by how active they were in organizational activities. Based on the result of this study, it was found that file work practice had a significant effect on students' work readiness. And based on the result of this study, it was found that work motivation, organizational activity, and file work technique practice simultaneously have a big impact on how ready students are for the workforce. Okay, next, here is my presentation. I will say so much thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.